Building a personal brand. 3 essential steps. What is a personal brand? Hi there, I'm and welcome to this video on building a personal brand. So, what is a personal brand, anyway? Simply put, it's the unique combination of skills, experiences, and values that make you stand out in your industry or community. Think of it like a business card, but instead of just your name and job title, it's about showcasing who you are and what you can offer. Why is a personal brand important? Having a personal brand matters because it helps you establish credibility and trust with others. When you have a clear idea of who you are and what you are about, you can communicate more effectively and attract the right opportunities. Let's say you're a freelance writer. Having a personal brand can help you stand out from other writers and attract more clients. Identifying your unique value proposition. To build a strong personal brand, you need to identify your unique value proposition. This is a statement that summarizes what sets you apart from others. Think of it like an elevator pitch, but written down. For example, as a social media manager, I specialize in helping small businesses grow their online presence through creative content and engagement strategies. Developing your brand voice and visual identity. Your brand voice and visual identity are what make your personal brand recognizable and memorable. Think of your brand voice as the tone and language you use when communicating with others. For example, are you formal and professional, or friendly and approachable? Your visual identity includes your logo, color scheme, and typography. These elements should be consistent across all your online platforms and materials. Creating a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial for building a personal brand. This includes creating a professional website or blog, as well as being active on social media platforms. Use your website to showcase your UVP, skills, and experience, and use social media to share your expertise and engage with others. Consistency is key. Consistency is key to building a strong personal brand. This means using the same branding elements across all your online platforms, as well as being consistent in your messaging and tone. Remember, your personal brand is a reflection of you, so be authentic and genuine in your communication. Measuring success and evaluating progress. Finally, it's essential to measure your success and evaluate your progress. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and other metrics that matter to your personal brand. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions about your branding strategy. Putting it all together. So, to recap, building a personal brand involves identifying your UVP and communicating it clearly, developing your brand voice and visual identity, creating a strong online presence, consistency is key, measuring success and evaluating progress. Remember, building a personal brand takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these steps, you can establish a strong online presence, attract the right opportunities, and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos on personal development and marketing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.